The world needs more food. As our global population continues to rise, the demand for food is increasing at an unprecedented rate. This has put immense pressure on our agricultural systems to produce more and more to feed billions of people. Traditional farming methods, which have been the backbone of food production for centuries, are now being pushed to their limits. Farmers are working tirelessly to meet these demands, often resorting to methods that can have long-term negative impacts on our health and the environment. Farmers use pesticides to grow more food. These chemicals are designed to protect crops from pests and diseases, ensuring that yields are maximized. Pesticides have become a common tool in modern agriculture, helping to prevent crop losses and increase productivity. However, the widespread use of these chemicals has raised significant concerns. While they may offer short-term benefits, the long-term consequences can be detrimental, but pesticides can be harmful. The chemicals in pesticides are often toxic, not just to the pests they target, but also to humans, animals, and other non-target organisms. Exposure to these chemicals can lead to a range of health issues, from skin irritations to more severe conditions like respiratory problems and even cancer. Farmers and agricultural workers who are in direct contact with these substances are particularly at risk. Moreover, the residues of these chemicals can remain on the produce we consume, posing potential health risks to consumers. They can harm people, animals, and the environment. Pesticides can contaminate soil, water, and air, leading to broader ecological damage. Aquatic life is particularly vulnerable, as runoff from fields can carry these chemicals into rivers, lakes, and oceans. This pollution can disrupt ecosystems, killing fish and other aquatic organisms. Additionally, beneficial insects such as bees and butterflies, which play a crucial role in pollination, are also affected. The decline in pollinator populations can have a cascading effect on biodiversity and food production. We need a safer way to protect our crops. The search for alternatives to harmful pesticides is more urgent than ever. Farmers are increasingly looking for methods that can safeguard their crops without compromising the health of the environment or the people who consume their produce. This has led to a growing interest in organic farming practices, which emphasize sustainability and the use of natural solutions. Organic solutions are the answer. Organic farming avoids synthetic chemicals and relies on natural processes to enhance crop resilience and soil health. By using organic sprays, compost, and other natural amendments, farmers can protect their crops from pests and diseases without the harmful side effects associated with conventional pesticides. This approach not only benefits the environment, but also produces healthier, more nutritious food for consumers. Organic farming avoids harmful chemicals. Instead of relying on synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, organic farmers use techniques such as crop rotation, intercropping, and the application of organic matter to maintain soil fertility and control pests. These methods promote biodiversity and create a more balanced ecosystem, which can naturally regulate pest populations and reduce the need for chemical interventions. It uses natural ways to control pests and diseases. Beneficial insects, such as ladybugs, are introduced to control pest populations. Plants like neem, which have natural pesticidal properties, are used to deter harmful insects. These natural pest control methods are not only effective but also safe for the environment and human health. By fostering a diverse and healthy ecosystem, organic farming can sustainably manage pest and disease pressures. This is better for our health and the planet. Organic farming practices reduce the risk of chemical exposure for both farmers and consumers. The absence of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers means that the produce is free from harmful residues, making it safer to eat. Additionally, organic farming helps to preserve natural resources, protect wildlife, and mitigate climate change by enhancing soil health and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. More and more people want organic food. As awareness of the benefits of organic farming grows, so does the demand for organic products. Consumers are increasingly seeking out food that is not only healthy, but also produced in a way that is environmentally responsible. Farmers markets and organic food stores are becoming more popular, providing a direct link between producers and consumers who share a commitment to sustainability. It is time to find sustainable solutions. The future of agriculture depends on our ability to adopt practices that are both productive and sustainable. By embracing organic farming and other sustainable methods, we can ensure that we meet the food needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It is a collective effort that requires the support of farmers, consumers, and policymakers alike. Together, we can create a food system that is healthy, resilient, and sustainable for all. Neem oil comes from the neem tree. The neem tree grows in India. It is a tropical evergreen tree. People call it the village pharmacy. This is because it has many medicinal uses. Neem oil is made from the seeds of the neem tree. The oil is a natural pesticide. It is also a fungicide. This means it kills both insects and fungi. It is a safe and effective way to protect plants. Extracting oil from neem seeds is simple. First, the seeds are harvested from the neem fruit. Then the seeds are cleaned and dried. Next, the seeds are crushed to release the oil. The oil is then filtered and bottled. Neem oil has a strong smell. The smell is like garlic and sulfur. The oil is usually brown in color. It can also be yellow, green, or red. This depends on how it is extracted. Neem oil works in many ways. It disrupts the life cycle of insects. It stops them from feeding and laying eggs. Neem oil also repels insects. It makes plants taste bad to pests. Neem oil is effective against a wide range of pests. It controls aphids, whiteflies, and mealybugs. It also controls caterpillars, beetles, and mites. Neem oil is also a good fungicide. Section 5. Neem oil in action, success stories from the field. In this section we will explore the incredible impact neem oil has had on agriculture across the globe. From ancient practices to modern-day applications, neem oil has proven to be a versatile and effective solution for farmers everywhere. Neem oil has been used for centuries. Its origins can be traced back to ancient India, where it was revered for its medicinal and agricultural properties. Historical records show that neem oil was an integral part of traditional farming practices, used to protect crops from pests and diseases. Farmers in India have used it for a long time. They discovered that neem oil not only safeguarded their crops but also enriched the soil, promoting healthier plant growth. This natural pesticide became a staple in Indian agriculture, passed down through generations. They use it to protect their crops. Neem oil acts as a powerful deterrent against a wide range of pests, including aphids, whiteflies, and caterpillars. Its unique properties disrupt the life cycle of these pests, preventing them from reproducing and causing further damage. Today, neem oil is used all over the world. Farmers from different continents have embraced this natural solution, recognizing its effectiveness and sustainability. From small family farms to large agricultural enterprises, neem oil has become a global phenomenon. Studies show that neem oil is effective. Scientific research has confirmed what traditional farmers have known for centuries. Neem oil's active compounds, such as azadirachtin, have been proven to combat a variety of agricultural pests and diseases, making it a valuable tool in integrated pest management. It can increase crop yields. By reducing pest populations and minimizing crop damage, neem oil helps farmers achieve higher yields. Healthier plants lead to more abundant harvests, contributing to food security and economic stability for farming communities. It reduces damage from pests and diseases. Neem oil's natural properties make it an ideal choice for organic farming. It provides an eco-friendly alternative to synthetic pesticides, ensuring that crops remain free from harmful chemicals while still being protected from pests. Neem oil is used on many crops. Its versatility extends to a wide range of agricultural products, including grains, legumes, and horticultural crops. Farmers appreciate its broad-spectrum efficacy, which allows them to use a single product for multiple purposes. These include fruits, vegetables, and ornamentals. Whether it's protecting a backyard vegetable garden or a commercial orchard, neem oil has proven to be an invaluable ally for farmers. Its ability to safeguard a diverse array of crops ensures that farmers can maintain healthy, productive fields year-round. Section 6. Safety and considerations when using neem oil. Neem oil is safe for humans and animals. This makes it an excellent choice for households with pets and children. Unlike many chemical pesticides, neem oil does not pose a risk of toxic exposure. You can feel confident using it in your garden without worrying about harmful residues. Pets can roam freely, and children can play in the garden without any concerns. This natural oil is derived from the seeds of the neem tree, which has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and agriculture. It is biodegradable, which means it breaks down naturally in the environment. This is a significant advantage over synthetic pesticides, which can linger in the soil and water, causing long-term environmental damage. Neem oil's natural decomposition process ensures that it does not accumulate in the ecosystem, making it a sustainable choice for eco-conscious gardeners. By using neem oil, you are contributing to a healthier planet, promoting soil health, and supporting the delicate balance of your garden's ecosystem. Neem oil is not harmful to beneficial insects like bees. This is crucial because bees play a vital role in pollinating plants, which is essential for food production and biodiversity. Unlike broad-spectrum pesticides that can kill a wide range of insects, neem oil targets specific pests, leaving beneficial insects unharmed. This selective action helps maintain the natural balance in your garden, ensuring that pollinators and other helpful insects can thrive. Ladybugs, butterflies, and other beneficial insects will continue to visit your garden, contributing to its health and beauty. When using neem oil, there are a few things to remember. First, always read the label carefully. The instructions will provide important information on how to mix and apply the oil correctly. Proper usage ensures that you get the maximum benefit from neem oil while minimizing any potential risks. It's also important to store neem oil in a cool, dark place to maintain its effectiveness. Exposure to light and heat can degrade the oil, reducing its potency. It is important to follow the instructions on the label. The recommended dilution rates and application methods are designed to be safe and effective. Overuse or incorrect application can lead to problems, so take the time to measure accurately and apply the oil as directed. This will help you achieve the best results in controlling pests while protecting your plants and the environment. Remember, more is not always better when it comes to neem oil. Too much neem oil can damage plants. Over-application can lead to leaf burn, wilting, and other signs of stress in your plants. It's important to monitor your plants after applying neem oil to ensure they are responding well. If you notice any adverse effects, reduce the frequency or concentration of your applications. Each plant species may react differently, so it's a good idea to test neem oil on a small area before treating the entire plant. This way, you can avoid any potential damage and keep your garden thriving. It is best to apply neem oil in the evening because sunlight can reduce its effectiveness. The active compounds in neem oil can break down when exposed to direct sunlight, diminishing its pest control properties. By applying it in the evening, you give the oil time to work overnight without the interference of UV rays. This timing also helps to avoid any potential harm to beneficial insects that are less active during the evening hours. Consistent evening applications can lead to more effective pest management and healthier plants. Section 7. Neem oil versus chemical pesticides, a clear choice. Chemical pesticides are harmful. They can stay in the environment for a long time. They can pollute water sources and harm wildlife. Neem oil offers a safer alternative. It is a natural product and does not have the same harmful effects as chemicals. Switching to neem oil protects us and our planet. Section 8. Making the switch to neem oil. Your garden will thank you. Choosing neem oil is easy. It is available in many garden centers and you can buy it online too. Look for organic neem oil to ensure it is free from harmful additives. You can mix neem oil with water and spray it on your plants. You can also add it to the soil. Neem oil is a versatile and effective solution. Section 9. Where to find neem oil and further information. Many resources are available to learn more about neem oil. You can find information online and in libraries. You can also ask at your local garden center. Making the switch to natural pest control is a step in the right direction. Choose neem oil to protect your garden and the planet.